Hello roommates and welcome back to What's Cooking Wednesdays. So for today's meal, what we'll be using is Hawaiian Rolls, which is in the back. We have shredded chicken that's already cooked, garlic, hot sauce, wing sauce, ranch seasoning, butter, pepper jack sliced cheese, and parsley and any chips of your choice. Before we go ahead and start cooking, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification. If you are a new subscriber or a new watcher, I hope you enjoy this video and it entices you to hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into the video. Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love. Yeah. So the first thing that we are going to do is cook our chicken. The kind of chicken I got was by Tyson. You either buy your chicken pre-shredded already and cooked, or you can go ahead and cook your chicken breast and shred it up yourself. So you're gonna lightly butter your pan and put it at medium-high heat. Once your pan is hot, going to go ahead and pour your chicken into there and get it cooked. This will take only about, let's see, 7 minutes. Approximately 7 minutes. So we're just gonna let this cook for 7 minutes and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. So you're gonna take your ranch seasoning and use a 1/4 cup of it. Which is all of it. So you're just gonna use the whole thing. Let's see. Pour a little bit in for now. So for now we're just gonna use half of that, which is an 1/8 cup. And we're going to mix. During this time that you're making, that's hot. During this time that you're making your sauce, you want to go ahead and start preheating your oven to 350 degrees so we can get started with actually combining this. And your chicken should be done at this point. So after mixing your melted butter and parsley mix, what you're going to do is with your buns, your Hawaiian buns, as you can see, I cut mine in half already. And line the bottom with aluminum foil. So when you're cutting your buns, or if you just decide to get slider buns, I'm using Hawaiian Rolls. You're gonna hold the top half down and just use your knife to go directly in the middle. I line mine with aluminum foil so it won't stick to the pan and for an easy cleanup process. So I have about 1 minute and 40 seconds left until my oven has done preheating. So we're just gonna wait for that. So while you have the bottom buns in the oven, we're just going to mix our chicken with our hot sauce to get it nice and coated. So take your buffalo sauce, whichever you want. I'm going to use Red Hot today. And start pouring. We're going to get this nice and coated. Okay, so now the buns are done. Well, the bottom buns are done. They should be toasted a little bit. So what you're gonna do is take your chicken and place it down first. So after you've done that, you're going to take your cheese of your choice. I'm using pepper jack. Then you're going to place your top buns onto the sliders. Get your butter sauce that we made earlier. Give it a good mixing. And then we are going to spread it over. If you have a brush just to help, but I don't have my brush right now. I'm not sure what happened to my brush. Okay, so roomies, it is now out of the oven. This is your final look. Let me go ahead and get closer for you. Get a top view. And what I'm also going to do is cut it open. This is what the inside looks like, the top. And there you have it, buffalo chicken sliders for today's meal. It's a fun and fast meal to have if you do have kids. I don't, but I like to try new meals. That's why I do this on Wednesdays. But we have come to the end of our video. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. That is the timer going off. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.
Trying to call me, trying to make another beat. Whoa. We got London on the train. Niggas trying to call me, trying to make another beat. My baby mama bitch.
So the first thing I did get was Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream